global foresight. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the critical need for incorporating global foresight into national and international strategies. Despite the global nature of many challenges, global foresight and decision-making frameworks are underutilized. In response, the UN Secretary-General proposed 5 strategies in Our Common Agenda in 2021 to enhance global decision-making. UN Summit on the Future UN Futures Lab, Periodic Strategic Foresight and Global Risk Reports, Envoy for Future Generations, repurposing the UN Trusteeship Council as a multi-stakeholder foresight body. These strategies have received strong support from futurists and experts as they form an interrelated system that can improve global governance. Governance systems currently struggle to keep pace with increasing global interdependence and socio-technological change. Governments and large corporations are establishing future strategy or foresight units to address this, and the number of these units is growing worldwide. Initiatives like the OECD's Government Foresight Community and Finland's Parliamentary Committee for the Future are examples of collective efforts to enhance foresight in governance. The World Summit on the Parliamentary Committees for the Future, initiated by Finland, encourages countries to create similar committees, with the 2022 summit in Uruguay bringing together representatives from 70 parliaments to share best practices. The complexity and rapid evolution of foresight options pose challenges for decision-makers in gathering and understanding relevant information. The consequences of incoherent policies are increasingly severe, emphasizing the need for new systems. However, decision-makers often lack training in futures methods and decision-making, despite the availability of advanced tools such as AI, big data analytics, simulations, and collective intelligence systems. Futures research systematically explores potential future scenarios and developments, but it has not been consistently evaluated or applied to improve decision-making quality. Short-term, self-centered economic decisions have contributed to crises such as the 2008 financial collapse, ongoing environmental degradation, and widening income disparities. In contrast, long-term goals like the moon landing and smallpox eradication have spurred technological innovation and global cooperation. A long-term U.S.-China goal on climate change could similarly inspire international collaboration. To build a brighter future, humanity needs a global, multifaceted, long-term vision with clearly defined goals. The UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) for 2030 offer a partial framework, but understanding the implications of rapid technological advancements is also crucial. What steps should be taken to achieve this? Establish permanent parliamentary committees for the future. Countries should follow Finland's example by creating permanent parliamentary committees dedicated to foresight to support government decision-making and ensure long-term strategic coherence. Develop national online collective intelligence systems. Governments should create and improve online collective intelligence systems with public access to gather diverse perspectives on national futures and enhance the decision-making process with broad-based input. To know more about global foresight, go to the Millennium Project website, w.millennium-project.org.